Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe LT Z71 equipped with a luxury package. On the front end of the vehicle we have our 3-amp protective film, and under the hood sits a 5.3-liter V8 engine that produces 355 horsepower and 383 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 18-inch aluminum wheels, heated power folding mirrors with a blind spot alert, and keyless entry. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as a power liftgate that gives us access to the 15.3 cubic feet of trunk space, which expands to up to 94.7 cubic feet thanks to the power folding second and third row seats. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver's seat, as well as our Bose audio sound system, as well as lane keep assist, our automatic 4-wheel drive controls, as well as our automatic headlight controls with the automatic high beams. This Tahoe is equipped with a power sunroof, as well as heated power adjustable leather seats, and OEM all-weather floor mats. We also have a heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. Also equipped is push-button start, and a touchscreen display that shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Equipped to cover are tri-zone climate controls as well as a wireless charging pad. And on the vehicle's key fob we have remote start and entry buttons. Moving to the back of the vehicle we have our heated folding second row captain's chairs, as well as third row seating that allows for seating for up to 7 people. And finally we have our rear climate controls.